I've been comparing the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve cards throughout 2025, and after diving into their features, benefits, and costs, I think choosing between them really comes down to your travel habits and how much value you want to get from a premium credit card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is the more accessible option, with a lower annual fee and strong travel rewards. You earn 2x points on travel and 3x on dining, with a 25% boost when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. It also offers a solid welcome bonus and basic travel protections, making it a great fit for someone who travels occasionally but still wants meaningful rewards and flexibility without a high upfront cost. Now, the Reserve takes things to the next level. Yes, the annual fee is significantly higher, but the benefits match. You get 3x points on both travel and dining, a $300 annual travel credit that effectively lowers your net cost, and points are worth 50% more when you redeem through Chase. Plus, it comes with premium perks like Priority Pass Lounge access, enhanced travel protections, and better coverage for things like rental cars and trip cancellations. If you travel often, these extras can easily outweigh the difference in fees. One important thing to consider in 2025 is how you actually use your points. If you tend to redeem through Chase or transfer to travel partners, the Reserve gives you more value. But if you're someone who prefers cashback or doesn't fully use the added perks, the Preferred still delivers a lot of bang for your buck. So, if you travel occasionally and want a card that's easy to manage with solid rewards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the smarter pick. But if you're a frequent flyer who wants to maximize value and enjoy luxury perks, the Reserve could be well worth the upgrade. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to like the video, share it with anyone deciding between these two cards, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.